seagull was there, you know. I was thinking, why on earth they are here? Wow. Shit.
Hey, I think its leg is broken.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Come on, eat it, seagull, eat it.
They all gonna to come now.
Oh, a small bird came now.
You mean small eagle?
Yeah, small eagle.
Wow.
Oh, poor seagull. This one's hurt.
Yeah, poor seagull, because she gonna to be bullied by the other one.
Yeah. Just eat it, seagull. Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it. Oh my god, I'm full. You okay, babe?
Oh, he's getting closer. Oh.
Hey, stop!
Hey, babe, it's okay.
Pay attention to drive.
I do.
Yeah, they're eating it now.
We don't see this kind of show every day, baby.
Oh, the other seagull left.
The injured one?
Yeah. They took one piece though. Oh, the other one's eating all of it.
So who's there now? The small bird?
No, the other seagull.
How many?
There was only 2 seagulls beginning, and now there's only 1 left.
Wow.
Oh, he's feasting. Oh my god.
What do you mean feasting?
Look at him, he's eating. He's feasting. Oh, he got scared.
So they finished?
No, not yet. There's still a bit. Oh, another seal came.
Why those stupid people they honk?
I know, right? Oh,
They see that nobody can move, so stop honking.
Yeah, the same seagull is still eating everything.
Which one? The injured one?
No, the injured one left.
Why he left?
I don't know. Injured only ate 1 bite and left. And then the other one that was there is feasting on everything.
Wow. So that's probably the boss, no?
And then there's another seagull just looking at him.
So rude, this seagull.
Oh, now they're walking. Oh my god, the other one scared him away.
So how many left?
Oh, he's still here actually. Oh, but this one looks evil. Oh my god, he's intimidating him. This seagull's intimidating the other one. Stay away.
That's why the injured one didn't stay, because he's gonna to be bullied for sure.
Yeah, this one's like, what is it? Like the boss. He's like so evil. Look at him. He's so fat. His neck is like stuck.
So we should stab him. What do you think?
No.
No?
We should shoot him.
We should not stab him?
Yeah, we should shoot him instead.
Why we don't stab him?
Oh, that boss is still feasting on it.
But actually, who made the baby? You know the parking. Who get the money?
I
TNT?
don't know. How do I know?
Looks like it's not even belong to TNT, those people, you know?
Seagull.
Wow, that's crazy. You know they are lucky to be in Canada. You're in France, nobody says going to concert or something. They all saying I'm going to TNT. But actually us, we didn't lie.
We kind of did go to TNT.
Hey, we went to TNT, for real.
Oh, the guy's still eating.
Good, I go to washroom. Oh my god.
Yeah, me too.